So today on DIYNate, we're reclaiming a couple lamps. This lamp right here, we tested it. The shell outside of it broke, and so we've stripped off the parts and pieces of the lamp, and we'll put this back together a little later. But right now, you can see we've actually taken that lamp down to nothing but the stem that was in the middle. It used to have a very ornate piece of porcelain around it, and we shattered that lamp at one point. So the lamp still works, all the electrical works. So we're gonna have some fun making the DIY lamp here, and little Paige is gonna have a new style for her room. So we'll see what this turns into. All right, so Paige and I have been hard at work over here, crafting our DIY lamp. We've cut pieces of wood together, and we threw in a couple pieces of what in the middle, Paige? Metal, some aluminum, just to make it a little unique and funky. So you kind of get what we did there, drilled a bunch of holes. Now we're putting the lamp back together here, assembling the parts and pieces. We're gonna do a little bit of electrical wiring in just a second here to put the pieces back together in the lamp socket. But outside of that, you get the idea. This is our project. Had a lot of fun with it, right, Paige? Okay, so now we're taking the duct tape off that we put around it so we could easily fish the thing through the hole. And so we're gonna put this lamp back together. You got two cords here. Doesn't matter a whole lot since there's only two contacts here. So we're gonna bend a little hook for the lamp. We're gonna wrap it around the first one. And so we're gonna just put this back together the way we found it. It was working nicely before, so we hope we get it back to working just like it was prior to us messing with it. And so I've wrapped that first one around. Go tighten it in, tighten them down, make sure we got the contact is making good contact so we don't shock anybody. A little bit more to wrap around there. All right, so now we're just wrapping these wires together and tightening them down. Good contact there. That guy's not coming out of there. And we'll just pop this guy around this other one. Try to make sure our cords are nice and neat, so that when we put it all back together, everything goes on nice and clean. Got a little bit of a sleeve over top of it. And go into tighten mode here. Wrap this guy around, and we just tighten him down. Now, and that should get us back to normal. We'll make sure the wires are all positioned well, and we'll slide the case back over it, hopefully. There we go. And of course, we'll test our work in just a second here. Stop it. Yep. All right. There you have it. We're up and running. Our light is complete, at least for now. We got to find a shade for it. We got the little wrapper here that we're going to put on top of it. And hopefully it looks nice in the end. But weird enough, perfect DIYNate and DIY Paige project. Right, Paige? Cool, huh? Here is the lamp sans shade. We'll end up putting a shade on it shortly, but you get the idea. And now we've got the lamp all set up here. Looks pretty crazy, but my kid's a little bit funky to begin with, so she kind of liked that design. It turned out pretty good. You can even see we've got it stabilized with some zip ties there at the top. But all things considered, another project, reclaimed lamp, repurposed for some use here in our house, and gave me a good afternoon project with my kid, teaching her how to drill some holes and how to work with a little bit with electricity. So kind of a cool assignment there. Anyway, hope you enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, thumbs up, and subscribe. Have a great day.